Ito isa sa mainit. Inaabangan ng tao. Ito na. Sa kanan natin, Pastec Racing Team. Sa kaliwa, Speed Tuner. Jerby sa kanan. Carlota sa kaliwa.
The 195cc Maxxis scooter competitions are on. As you can see, Fastec is on the right side of your screens. Getting prepped up versus Speed Tuner with JC at the